Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the kinetic interpretation of temperature. That means how the motion related quantities are related to the temperature. For that we need to recall the pressure exerted by an ideal gas on the walls of the container, and the formula for pressure is 1 by 3 rho V square bar. What is this? This is V square bar. If we take its under root, then we call it VRMS. This is root mean square velocity, right? So root of mean of the squared velocities, right? So we can convert its form for the kinetic interpretation. P is equal to 1 by 3 into 2 upon 2. This can be written as mass upon volume, and this is as it is, right? We can shift this pressure and volume together, and this can be written as 2 by 3, and this is half m v square bar. So this can be written as kinetic energy, right? And this can be written like this also. So the average pressure is equal to 2 by 3 of kinetic energy per unit volume, right? Now PV can also be written as nRT. So we'll just mark this. From 1, PV is equal to 1 by 3 m v square bar. Why? Because P is equal to 1 by 3 mass upon volume v square bar. So from here I have written this. So this can be written like this. Now PV can be written RT for 1 mole, because PV is equal to nRT is equal to RT, right? So this can be written as 1 by 3 m v square bar. So v square bar can be written as 3 RT upon m. So v will be under root of 3 RT upon m, where T is in Kelvin. T is equal to temperature in Kelvin, and m molecular mass. So this actually gave us the relation between the velocity and temperature. So from here, this is the first part, right? Relation between velocity and temperature. So this part starts here. So this is one relation which we have derived for kinetic interpretation of temperature. So VRMS is directly proportional to under root of temperature. That means if temperature is equal to 0 Kelvin, VRMS is 0. Similarly, we can derive the second part, then after we will define absolute zero temperature. So second is the relation between kinetic energy and temperature. So look at this expression. This is 2. This will mark as 3. So from 2, we can write PV is equal to 2 by 3 of kinetic energy, and this can be written RT. This is for 1 mole. This is equal to 2 by 3 kinetic energy. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 RT. Very important relation, we'll use it further, right? For kinetic energy, this is kinetic energy per mole. For kinetic energy per molecule, we'll multiply and divide left hand side by Na, that is Avogadro number. What will we get? We'll get this. Ke is equal to 3 by 2 RT Na upon Na. So this gives me kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 R upon Na T. This is also called as 3 by 2 kBT. So this is kinetic energy per molecule. So this kinetic energy is also proportional to absolute temperature. So we can define absolute 0. So you can write here kinetic energy is equal to 0 when temperature is 0 Kelvin. So 0 Kelvin or absolute 0 is that temperature at which all the molecular motion stops, because the kinetic energy is also 0 at this temperature and the velocity is also 0 at this temperature. So definition we can right. So this was all about the kinetic interpretation of temperature. That's all for now. Have a nice day.